Hi, I'm Scott with Trax Software. The enrichment tools in Trax are designed to help aquariums and zoos provide safe and effective enrichment experiences for the animals in their care. Let's take a look. Trax enrichment features help you create, review, and track enrichment processes by species, quickly record and evaluate animal responses, view an animal's enrichment history, and analyze enrichment plans. The enrichment features are made up of these components: configuring enrichment for your institution so it is customized for your particular needs, creating and submitting enrichment processes for review, managing submitted processes, and recording enrichment experiences, rating them for effectiveness, and referencing this data for assessment. Let's look at each of these components. First, configuration. A Trax administrator or a behavior staff member needs to set up the enrichment framework. This person will need access to configure the behavior management features. Permission to configure the behavior features is managed in Configuration, User Security, and the Trax main menu. Then, this person manages the institution-wide preferences for enrichment in Configuration, Inventory, Behavior Management in the main menu. In the Configuration module, you can manage types of behaviors, create taxonomy filters for behaviors, manage additives, manage the approval process responsible roles, manage the ratings system, and manage behavior-related code lists. In Trax, an enrichment process is a proposal that serves as a guide to help encourage natural behaviors in animals. Each process has specific goals and a description of how the process will meet those goals. Keep in mind that each process pertains to a species, or to several species, not to a specific group of animals. Users with the necessary permission create processes in the Enrichment Process module, which is one of the collection management modules. While a specific user must create and submit a process, processes are organized by responsible role, not by specific users. To create and submit an enrichment process proposal, click on Edit, Insert Enrichment Process in the Enrichment Process module. This is where the process will be created and submitted. Note that there are tabs for Details, Restrictions and Safety, Additives, Ratings, and Comments. Let's look at an enrichment process that has been submitted and approved. You can see that the process name is Monkey Treats in Outdoor Exhibit. The responsible role that submitted the request is Monkey World, and the species is Hooded Capuchin. We can see that the behavior goal is Look for Food, and there is a description of the process. There is data under the other tabs as well. Behavior managers review each submitted proposal for safety and appropriateness. Approved processes can be put into use. A disapproved process can be changed and resubmitted. Your institution determines which role or roles must review submitted processes. Reviewers often include a department leader or curator and a vet. Reviewers need to be included in the reviewing responsible roles. The review process is handled in the Enrichment Processes module. It can also be managed from My Trax in the Enrichment Processes panel. Here is that approved enrichment process, Monkey Treats in Outdoor Exhibit. But now let's reverse the sort order in the status column and look at a pending enrichment process. You can see that the submitted process, Outdoor Rope Swing, requested by the Monkey World responsible role, is still awaiting approval. An approved enrichment process is available for use with the intended species. In the Daily Wizard, keepers can quickly record and rate an animal's experience with a particular enrichment process, providing details about how successful each enrichment process is in helping to foster the desired behaviors. Let's go to the Enrichment Processes module again and look at the approved process, Monkey Hide and Seek. You can see all of the details of the process in the Enrichment Process window, including the behavior goal of play. Now, let's open the Daily Wizard for that role and that species. When we click on the Enrichment tab, we have a drop-down of Enrichment Processes. We can select Monkey Hide and Seek. Here are tabs for ratings, additives, and notes, and we see the goal behavior of play. While we're on the Ratings tab, let's click on the Level of Usage drop-down and designate a rating. Each animal's enrichment module provides a list of processes that are available for it, the individual enrichment records for the animal, and a calendar view of its enrichment history, which is helpful for planning. Animal staff can analyze enrichment processes using the filtering tools available in TRACS. They can quickly find out which processes have been the most successful for the goal behaviors for the animals in their care. Within the Enrichment Processes module, you can see a list of submitted processes and the status of each. But we can use the filtering tools to refine this list. We'll click on the Refine link and choose Goal Behaviors from the drop-down list. Under Goal Behaviors, we can choose the goal behavior of play and save it. You can see that our processes list has been refined to include only those processes with these filters, which, of course, includes Monkey Hide and Seek. We encourage you to watch the entire series of TRACS enrichment videos for more information about the enrichment components. And, as always, if you have questions or an idea, please send us an email to support@tracssoftware.com.